Pneumatic actuators to full.
here at the line, please.
Are we all in? Good, good, good. For those who don't know me, I am Hondo Onaka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have been in many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on the fastest ships in the water. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the Resistance will get the supplies they need. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Your lives and profit depend on it. So let's get to another ship.
Let me go in the back. Would you go join on, please? Thank you.
Come on in, we're right here. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 pilots here. Where are my pilots? Pilots, alright. Then gunners or engineers?
You'll need it.
What color are you guys assigned? Red? Awesome. You guys are good to explain the ship. Just wait for your colors to be called. You guys are good to take this
Are you guys flying through orange? Orange. Get you guys right over here. Nice to back over you have little bullets. Yes, and all that must
Okay, ready? This is combo.
red? Right over here. Get my 2 pilots side by side. My 2 gunners behind the pilots. Appreciate it. Alright. Left pilot control up to the right. Right pilot control up and down. And my 2 gunners in the middle. You guys are going to shoot everything that moves. You guys are limited ammo. Hold down your bottom grabbing part, or you can tap it as many times as you like. And my 2 up in front, just try your best to crash the shit. Good luck. There's a lot into your left.
Right this way, nothing to be afraid of. Yet, just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxiums. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here here and go make Hondo some money.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Okay, backpacks and packages on the floor in front of you, and let's get those seatbelts on. Okay, pilots, give me a tug on the yellow tab. Gunner, give me a tug on the yellow tab. Engineer, give me a tug on the yellow tab. Got it? Okay, good. You activate your panels, but the lights are orange. Okay, that orange button. Alright, you guys are clear for flight.
Right, engineer. Repair test. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. I'll do the help out. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that watch out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, it's shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Find engineers. Fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. No, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, gravity go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through this? Flight engineer, fire the harpoons and reel us in. It's harder than it looks. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We're coming out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Who is right? We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. He's the last who did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the one. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
See those scouts
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I'm not cleaning that up. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Have a good day. Nice pilot.